Hey there, fellow content creators. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of monetizing your YouTube and Facebook channels. First things first, let's talk about YouTube. To start earning money, you'll need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. Once you've met these requirements, you can sign up for YouTube's partner program and start earning from ads, channel memberships, and merchandise. Now, let's move on to Facebook. To monetize your content, you'll need to have at least 10,000 followers and meet certain engagement criteria. Once you've hit these milestones, you can apply for Facebook's monetization program and start earning from ads, brand partnerships, and more. Remember, creating quality content and building a strong community are the keys to success. So keep creating, keep engaging, and keep growing. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing.